Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Fix It Felix. Today we're working on a 2005 Ford Focus. We are going to replace the lower motor mount. As you can see, we already bought it. It's this one right here. And let me show you where it is. First of all, you have to put a jack on it, put the car up, and put a tower for safety reasons. And the motor mount is this one right here. This is the one we're going to replace. What you have to do is put the jack, and you gotta put it somewhere in the engine and to pull it up a little bit so the motor mount will become a little bit more loose so you can move it. So yeah, this is the motor mount right here. This guy right here. We're going to be putting the jack somewhere around here, maybe around here somewhere. I mean you only have to pull it up a little bit just so we can have enough movement to remove this one. So all right, I'm gonna show you which tools you need right now. All right, we're going to be using a 13mm socket. Let me show you right here, 13mm, and I'm going to be using this ratchet. So we only have to remove two bolts, which is this one right here and this guy right here. They're both 13mm, so this is pretty much all you need right now. You can loosen it up, but don't forget to put the jack first. We put it right here, and now we're going to lose the bolts. Okay, I managed to loosen it up a little bit. All right, we got this one out. Now with this one. All right, this is already loose. So guys, be very careful while being under the car. It's super dangerous. Make sure you have the tower on, this guy right here, and always be very careful. So okay, now this is off, and now we just have to wiggle it to take it out. All right, so we tried to wiggle it out, but it doesn't want to come out. So what we're gonna do is we have to raise the engine more high up. So we're putting these 3 2x4s so we can have more space, like to pull it up. Like I said before, be very careful while you're being right here. I'm using a handy manny right now to use the jack while I'm under here. All right, we're gonna pull it up. Just be very careful. And more. As you can see, a little bit more. Just a little bit more. One more. Okay. And now try to wiggle it out from here. And I think it's off already. There you go. Oops. So we took it out, and now we're gonna put the new one back. Here's the other one, brand new. I'm going to put a link down below where you can buy it. And same thing with this one, just play with it until you can fit it in place. So yeah, just mess with it until you can put it back in place. Okay, I got it right here in place. It's a little bit stuck right here. So I'm just gonna use a hammer to just put it back in place. Is going in. Okay, and now just set it up to be where the bolts are, and you can put the bolts on. I'll record after I do that, but it's already here, so just put the bolts on. Okay, I managed to put this bolt in, and then I remove the jack. As you can see, there's no jack right now. And then you have enough movement to move this one, so you can put this one in. If it doesn't fit, you can move the engine a little bit with your hands, and then you put it in. And now you just have to tie them all the way. tie it up all the way. All right, we got that side. Now let's tie this one all the way. All right, right there. And the symptoms we were getting is the whole car was vibrating really strong, like really bad. And this is a common problem on these Ford Focuses. So this is a simple fix to fix that problem. All right, now just remove the tower stand, this one. So you can just use the yak to lift it up a little bit, and then you can just remove this one. And if you put some 2x4s or anything underneath the tire, you can remove that too. And also it's good to put the car to apply the emergency brake just in case. So safety first, guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please give a big thumbs up, like this video, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends, and let me know down below if it helped you. I'm also going to put the link down below where you can buy the motor mounts. And thanks again for watching. As always, peace.